Hello, my name is Yug Damor and welcome to Data Frame. This is going to be very short video. So in this video I am going to explain how you can use Selenium inside Google Colab. So it is very easy to set up Selenium on Windows machine, but in Linux machine it is little hard because we have to set the driver path and all stuff. So in this post I am going to explain how can you easily use Selenium in Google Colab. So I found one library uh, which is Cora, and it is very easy to use library. We don't need to do any kind of setup or any kind of settings to install the Selenium and use it. So I'm going to explain how you can use it in Google Colab. So first of all we have to install the library, and inside Google Colab we can install the library by this command. So I will show you how to install it. Okay, so here is the Google Colab. So now I have to paste it, and now it is downloading the library and installing it. So library is installed, and now the next step is from Cora import wt, cora.selenium import wt. Okay, and now we have to use wt.get, and here we can directly pass any website link. So yeah, I'm going to pass this one only. So here it is. And now we can see the source code by typing page source, and here it is. So this library is very easy to use. We do not need to do any kind of configuration at all. It will do internally by itself. So that is it for this video. If this video was helpful to you in any way, then please like this video. Have a great day.